A significant step up in your valuation, some new investors on the cap table as well. Talk a bit about what is actually driving investor demand for Ramp and why did you raise the funds that you did today? Tell us a bit more about the news.
Yeah, of course. So we're thrilled to announce today we raised over $750 million, co-led by GIC, Iconic, and Ontario's teachers. And part of what motivated them to invest in a company like Ramp is first, it's incredible growth at incredible scale. The business is doing more than $1 billion a year in revenue, doubling and actually growing even faster this time this year than last year. And part of what's driving this is there's a separation in products. There's ones that are using and adopting AI well to make the user experience far better. So the average customer using Ramp is cutting their spend by more than 50% more than they were this time last year. So it's a better product. Also, too, as AI spend is growing, many companies are struggling to keep it in check. And so our capabilities to help companies get more yield out of the spend is very, very timely. And last, just more markets. We're expanding into Europe. We announced a product yesterday called Stack to help accountants and accounting firms automate their bookkeeping and more. And so when you get a large TAM accelerating growth and execution like Ramp has, that's driving excitement.
It was interesting that Ontario's Teachers Fund, now a major lead investor. We don't see that every day. We don't see pension funds leading major growth rounds, at least lately. Does it say anything about the profile of Ramp as a company, and just talk about their participation? That just stood out to me.
We're so thrilled to work with them. I actually had some family that hails from Canada years back, and so it was special on a personal level. I think for them, this may be one of the first rounds, to my understanding, that they have co-led, and I think it shows their deepening expertise over many, many years to get to know companies personally, to add value, and so we were thrilled to partner with them. I think they were motivated by a few things beyond just the execution. Our expansion into Canada meant that they could be not just great capital investors, but also add value in helping guide us as we are reaching leading Canadian companies like Shopify and more.
Absolutely. And finally, Eric, Series F, are we going to get to a Series Z, or when are you thinking about going public?
Thanks for asking. Look, proud to be here at NASDAQ. And one day, I think great companies do go public, and when they do, they have the rest of their life and grow from there. And Ramp aspires to be a great company. So we're excited to be back and spend more time on this in the coming years. It's something we're excited about. I think even a number of publicly traded funds, whether it's Robinhood Ventures or CTech, have bought shares in Ramp, and those entities are listed. And so it's been interesting to see the excited reaction to those tickers. And it's something that we're excited to weigh over the coming years.
Well, we'll keep an eye on it, Eric. It's great to see you. Thank you so much for sitting down with us today, and I appreciate your time.
Thanks a lot, Kate. It's great to see you.